This is a Mavic 3 Enterprise. And this is the RC Pro giving an error saying that you just destroyed your drone. Today in Florida, Drone Nerds delighted us by showing us the new Mavic 3 Enterprise at an unveil event. Additionally, we got some great demos from DJI Terra and a flight demo outside showing how to process the data. This was an amazing event where we got to see the new Mavic 3 Enterprise as well as agricultural drones and how they're used in enterprise applications around the world. So why the depressing title? It's simple. They had run their demo outside during hurricane conditions. It wasn't too windy, but there was a little bit of rain. It turns out nothing DJI or any manufacturer makes is waterproof. Most people just give you water resistance ratings. Once they brought the drone inside, it started throwing ESC errors. What this means is that the drone could have stopped midair and fallen out of the sky. I know this is going to sound like an advertisement, but in my opinion, safety equipment should be broadcast far and wide. If you're going to purchase something that is going to cost you $1,000, $2,000, or whatever this Enterprise drone is going to cost you, spend the $100, $150 for a rain jacket just so you can at least operate if it starts raining. I don't expect you to launch your drone into the rain because that could cause some corrosion, you could fall out of the sky, but if it's already raining when you're in the air and you have an accident, you're going to feel really bad about it.